What's up guys, back again with another YouTube video. Today what we're doing is doing a valve cover gasket on the Mazda Miata because it is leaking a lot, like very bad. The whole motor is covered in oil, so let's get right into it. Alright, so now looking at the motor, what you guys want to do is take all these tens off. So I'll show you which ones. This one, this one, this one, the ones that all go around the valve cover right there. And then the middle ones right there. I'm going to take all those tens off around. Now you gotta pull the coils out, and if you want, you can grab yourself a marker and write down where each one goes. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I already know where they go, so I'm just gonna move them out the way. Removing these coils is very easy. All you do is grab this and lift it up just like that. What you want to do is remove this 12 right there. Now, before you take all these bolts out, what you have to do is take this clamp off right here with your pliers and take this one and move it out the way. Now, once you remove both these hoses, I remove this one right here. This one is a little hard, but I just got a flathead right here and kind of moved it out just like that and twisted it. And this one broke on me, so I'm gonna be replacing this line. But all you do is take this hose clamp off and pull it off just like that. All right, now is the fun part. You take all these tens out. And also don't forget to loosen that 12 right there and take it out. Now once you guys are removing all the tens, now you can grab your flathead and find like a little flat spot where you can pry on, or you can try and lift it up. But this is the original valve cover, so it will probably be stuck in there, like right here, just like that. See, just lightly, no damage, just like that. And now just lift it up and take it out just like that. Now you have your valve cover on the table. Now you can just pick this whole thing up and just take this old gasket off. Now what you want to do is grab some brake cleaner and clean off your whole valve cover. Personally, I will be painting mine, but that will be in a separate video. This one will be only replacing the valve cover gasket. So all you want to do is just clean the whole inside, get all this grime out, clean the whole outside, and make it all nice so all the oil and everything goes away. So now once you're done cleaning your valve cover, now you can move to the engine and get yourself a razor or a metal razor, just like this one, whatever you feel more comfortable using. I like to use the plastic one, so I ensure that I do not leave any cuts or anything on top of the valve cover, so everything seats properly. And also grab yourself some brake clean and a microfiber towel and just start cleaning this top surface over here. Grab your razor like this, just start scraping away and make everything smooth over here. I find that cleaning this with the microfiber and brake clean is the easiest way. So you grab your towel like this, spray this down with brake cleaner, and now you just use this part to clean the top surface of this. Just make sure the whole top surface is always clean. Now looking at the valve cover, you can see all nice and clean. So now let's go put it on. So now the next step is you want to grab some RTV. I have Fibbage from Toyota. That's just what I use to seal my valve cover gaskets. So what you want to do is you want to put a little in each corner. So put a little squirt right here, a little right there, a little right here, here, and then both these ends right here. This is how it should look like when you're done with your RTV. So in each corner you can see, put a little bit of RTV just to help it seal in the corners.
just like that. Now let's go put on the valve cover gasket. So putting in the gasket is pretty easy. All you gotta do is you gotta press it in, just like this. So let's say it's lifted up. All you do is just, press it back in, just like that. Make sure everything is all nice and flat. So that's why I put already the RTV on the car, so you don't gotta worry about this. You don't gotta put RTV here so it doesn't go anywhere. It's already in the corners. So now let's go put it on. Now once you have your valve cover placed in all nicely, now you can grab all your 10s back and start putting them all back. And do not tighten them yet, just get them hand tight. Now once you got all the 10s all tight, just lightly, just hand tight, like as you can tell, it is still like hand tight, you could spin it, it's just on there. Now you wanna grab your 1/4-inch torque wrench and torque them down to 6 foot-pounds. But I will be linking in the description a link which torque pattern you have to go in. So just follow that torque pattern and torque it down to 6 foot-pounds. Now once you're done torquing it down, we could put this right back on here with the hose. So let's do that. Now in the back, let's grab our ignition coil and put it right back in the holes, right here and right there. And let's put that right back on with the 212s. Now once you tighten up those 212s, now we could put this hose right back on here. Now let's put the coil wires holders right back in. Once you're done putting in the coils, and that's how you guys install valve cover gasket on 1992 Mazda Miata. See you guys in the next one.